Hello guys, my name is Rahul Gupta and today I will show you how to install and configure the Hortonwork cluster. So today I will configure the Hortonwork cluster 2.4, which is the latest version. So first of all, I have configured the CentOS 7 machine with CentOS 7 minimal, and after that I have copied the 4 files that are uh, first one is Java JDK, second one SDP utils, and third one is Ambari, and fourth one is SDP, that is Hortonwork data platforms. So I have copied 4 files. Actually these are very big, so it will take time, so I have already copied these 4 files. So first of all, we have some few steps to configure these. So first of all, we install my first step installation of CentOS 7 minimal. After that we will configure the network. While installing, we will configure the network. I have already shows you in the first video. You can check in the first video. Then start the CentOS and copy the 4 files, that is Java, and one is Ambari and two is Hortonworks, related to Hortonworks. After that we will extract these files. Okay, so come to this, we will extract the Java files. So first we will make the directory for Java. And now we will extract the tar file. Okay, after that we will set the profile for Java home. So now our JDK is extract completely. We will go in user Java. Now we have JDK 1.8.0_71%. So we will go in the etc profile file and we will add 2 lines at the end of this file. So these are the 2 lines. I will share this document on the below of the YouTube video. Save this and source this file. Now check our Java is configured using Java -version. Now Java is installed properly. After that we will configure the host name. So I am giving the host name is node1.hadoop.com. I am configure only the single node cluster. Let me check, is it etc host name? Okay, this is done. Now we will configure another files for configure the reverse DNS. Here I will add 1 lines. For this, adding 1 line, I need to know the IP of this, so that our IP is 192.168.228 dot 133 192.168.228.133 and node1 dot hadoop.com. node1. Now this is done. Now we can log in with as node1. Yes, okay. So here we can see that there is a node1 instead of localhost. After that, actually we have installed the Linux CentOS minimal. So there's not all the packages. So I have need of some packages like HTTPD services and PostgreSQL for this. So we will download the CentOS everything files from that website and we will mount that files. Okay, so first of all we will make the directory for that, mnt dvt and let's we check this is the everything files of 7.5 GB. So add this and check it is connected or not. So we need to connect. Okay, now this is connected. You can see the disconnected button, so that it's proved that it is connected. Now this is the line, this is the command for mounting the file. Okay, run this. So if you go in the path mnt dvd, so all the files are there. So we can install the packages later. So and before installing the packages we need to configure the repository files. Okay, so we will go into the path cd etc yum.repo. Okay, so these are the files which are already made in the CentOS. So we will move all these files and we will manually create the repo files. Now all the files are moved, so we will create CentOS file, CentOS repository for CentOS everything, vi CentOS dot repo. Now we will add these things. Okay, so we will use the yum clean all command for cleaning the previous repository and use yum repo list so that we can check how many repository is there. So we have sent to as repository, it is working properly. Okay, so now we can install other services. So we need to install the HTTPD services for web browsing. So this package is not installed from the internet, it is installed from the files which I have configured right now. After that we will extract the tar ball of other files. So I have done with JDK. Now second one is SDP utils. And we will extract these files into the where www HTML path. It will take times to extract, no need to worry, it will take time. So now it is done, and now we will extract the another file, Ambari. Into the same folder, same file, where now the Ambari is fully extracted. We will extract the next one, Hortonwork Data Platform 2.4. So we are configuring and installing the latest one, tar-jetxvf. The same path. Now the HTTP is fully extracted. Sorry guys, I have in middle of extracting the tar file, I have paused my video, so no need to worry, there is no error will come when you install and configure the Hortonworks and extract the file. So all the files are extracted. Now we will create the repo files for these extracted file. So first of all we will take the path, where are they. So we will go into the where www HTML. So all the files are here, HTTP utils, HTTP and Ambari. So first one we will go into the HTTP. cd CentOS and 2.x into the CentOS ls. There is the repo data is here. Okay, so we will keep this path here for utils. Oh, this is same as I have already written, and the second one is cd where html sdp CentOS okay, and this is and third one is Ambari, related to Ambari. Now there is a repo data. Okay. Now we will need to edit the IP. So our IP is 192.168.228.133. Anyone can install the Hortonwork cluster. It is very easy to install. Okay guys, now we will create the repo file. The path is cd etc cd etc yum dot repo. Okay, so we have done with CentOS repo. Now we will create the Ambari repo. Copy these 5 lines, save this. Now this one sdp.repo, copy these 5 lines. In next video I will tell you what are the repo files, what are the 5 things which I have mentioned here. No need to worry. For making short videos I am working very fast. Now again use yum clean all. And use yum repo list. How many repo lists are in my is there? I think there is some issue with the repo list. It is says that this is not working. Okay, no problem. Let me check what is the problem with this. Connection refused. Okay, there is the name SDP 192.168.228.133 SDP CentOS 2 into X. Okay, no problem. yum clean all, yum repo list. There is again problem. Okay guys, the problem is we have not started the HTTPD services. So we have started the HTTP services and now it is work properly. We have enabled the HTTP services at the startup time of CentOS 7. So now if we use yum repo list, and it will not give an error. Okay, so we can properly install the Hortonwork cluster now. After that we need to configure the firewall. So we need to stop the firewall. First of all, we will check our firewall is there or not, or it is stop or start. So we will check. We will use the command service firewall d status. So there is no firewall, so no need to worry, it is inactive and dead condition. So always remember de-inactive the firewall. And now we will configure the passwordless SSH. Okay, in the first video of configuring the single node cluster of Hortonwork, Hadoop Apache 1, we have done there. Now again use the SSH-keygen command. Use all default options. Now go to the SSH. And copy the id underscore rsa.pub file to authorize underscore key file. So we will use this command. Now without entering the password, we can connect into the node 1 using like this. So now we have not entered the password and it has not asked for the password. Now next step is disable the SE Linux. So the SE Linux file is into the etc/sysconfig path. So go into there and edit the file. Disabled and save it. We can check it again. Is it done or not? Sorry. Okay, it is now disabled. Okay guys, after that we will install the Ambari server. So you will use this command. Yum install Ambari server. After that we will install the PostgreSQL. Use all default option like yes. Now guys, you are seeing that there is the speed of 23 Mbps and it is there because of we have created the repo file. If we use the if we do not create the manual repo file, then it will take all the data from the internet. Now parallelly we can install the PostgreSQL JDBC on the another. Actually yes, another app is currently holding the yum lock, so it will not install. You can done one by one. Okay, now we can install the PostgreSQL. Use default option like this. After installing the PostgreSQL, there is some duplicate Java entries created, so we need to remove all the alternate entry of the Java. So we will use this command alternatives -- list. So there is the 1 2 3 4 entries are duplicate. We have check using this command. Now we will use alternative -- remove Java and this. Repeat this. Now gre underscore open JTK space and this path. Now this one. Sorry guys. Alternatives -- remove, then this one. Now we will again check the duplicate entries. Now it is removed. Okay, after that we will configure the Java into the Ambari server setup. So we will use this command. First of all we will check the version of our Java. Okay, this is fine. Okay, yes. Customize user account, no. Use default options, no. After that we will set up the JDBC driver with the Ambari server. Use this command. Now it is Ambari server set up completely successfully, and now we will set up JDBC driver with Ambari server. Use command this. It is done. Now we can start the Ambari server. First of all we will check. Okay, we will start the Ambari server now. Yeah, use the command Ambari -server start. So when we use the browser for installing the cluster, we need to check the port 8080. So use this command netstat -nlp grep 8080. So it says that netstat is not configured, so we will install this. we need to install the package. Okay, we will install the net tools for this. Now we can use this command, it will work now. Okay, our port is working. Now we will go into the browser. HTTP, then IP 192.168. Our IP is 228.133 or an 8080. Now we will see our Ambari server is installed, properly installed. We can use the admin as a username and password is same as admin. Now we have seen the create a cluster portion, and there is the manage user plus groups and deploy views. So today we are create the cluster, launch install wizard, then cluster name we will give the Hortonwork 1. Then next, use the version SDP 2.4 or either SDP 2.3. I am using a latest one, and here deselect these 5. If we use this URL, then it will take all the data from the internet, so we will need to add own URL which we configure into the repo. So use this one, SDP this side and SDP utils this one. Okay guys, so when we click on next, then check there is the green signals occur. Okay, it's mean that you have properly configured the repo list and this URL is working properly. So there are the 2 green signals there. Now we will come into the host name. Our host name is node1.hadoop.com. So there is the target host. Enter a list of hosts using the fully qualified domain name. After that we will use the SSH private key. So our private key file is, go to the .ssh ls, use this file id_rsa only. Copy this file and add here. Okay, register and confirm. After that you will see there is the another window of confirm host. It is on progress. Now you will see the progress into the green color, so it means it is successfully confirm the host. So there is the one more thing, please. There is the one warning here. You will see what is the warning here. There is the anti-PD services, so no need to worry. This services is used when you configure the two or more cluster into the productions. So click on next, click OK. So today we will install only few services like SDFS, Yarn, and Zookeeper. In next video I will show you how to configure the Hive and how to work on Hive. So today we will configure SDFS, Yarn, MapReduce 2 and Zookeeper, and then we will click on next. So there no need to worry, there is a Ambari matrix, so we can proceed anyway. So there is another window, assign master. So we are using only one cluster, so we will install all the things on a single host. Click on next and keep it as default. Click on next. Now you will see the customized services, so keep it as it is and click on next. Now you can review where your service is installed and what is the path, and your data node is 1, name node is this, no NFS gateway, secondary name node is same as a node 1.hadoop, all the things on your single host. Click on deploy. So this process takes 5 to 10 minutes, no need to worry. Okay guys, keep patience, everything will be fine. So guys, it is going to install. So I have already uploaded 3 videos. The first video of is Apache Hadoop 1 installation and configuration, and then second one I have showed what are the configuration files used into the Hadoop, and I have explained the configurations file. And in the next video, which is third one, Hadoop 2.0 installation and configuration, in which I have show you how to install the Hadoop 2. So guys, before installing the Hortonwork cluster, I suggest to see the all 3 videos, so you will know what are the configuration file, what are the things which is needed, like the all the RPMs and what is the SSH. I have explained what is the SSH there, what is the passwordless SSH. So guys, it will take time, no need to worry. Now guys, you will see the installation is done. It takes 15 minutes approx. It is successfully done. Now click on next. So guys, as much your RAM is good, minimum 4 GB recommended by the Hortonwork, so use minimum 4 GB RAM to send to us, and click on again complete button. Now you will see the dashboard. First it will show you all the things, what is the memory and everything. So there is the SDFS disk uses, data note live, SDFS link. There are too many things here. Here guys, we have 4 files which is of minimum 6 and too many sets, so we can delete these files so that the space used in shows in SDFS disk user get reduced. So check this. Now these 4 files deleted. You can see SDFS disk usage reduced to 23%. So there is a name node uptime, resource manager, heap size used, and these are the things. So in this video we have successfully configured the Hortonwork cluster. Thank you guys. Okay guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channels. You will fastly get the update of new videos. Thank you very much guys.